Hello folks, today we're doing an inspection on a commercial building, but this is the same application as what we would see a lot on residential problems. And you see I got this staining going on around my exhaust vent. And you see that we even got a little bit of discoloration of mold looking, though everything I got up with my moisture tester and tested it and it's absolutely bone dry. So when I got up into the attic to look, and you can see I got some water issues over here too, see that? And what it is that this exhaust fan, this is common, somebody forgot to hook it up. It doesn't just go into the attic, it just literally got insulation over top of it, so all the moisture is coming up in through here, and it's building up and then just rotting out my drywall. And this has been happening over the last 20 years. We got the same thing happening on the other side, so they missed twice. Well, thank you for watching our videos. Give us a call, Galloway Building Services.